અને તમને એવું લાગતું હોય કે મારે હવે નાટી ગુજરાતી આપવી છે તો ભણવાનું શરૂ કરી દો અને કોઈ બી ક્વેશ્ચન હોય કોઈ બી પ્રશ્ન હોય તમને તો મને પૂછો. હું તમને એનો જવાબ આપીશ. અને હવે સારું છે કે નાટી ગુજરાતી આવી ગઈ છે એટલે તમને એવું લાગતું હોય કે ભાઈ મારે હવે નાટી ગુજરાતી ફટાફટ પતાવી દેવી છે કારણ કે હવે એ એક્ઝામ આવી ગઈ છે, મને આ લેંગ્વેજ આવડે છે, તો બસ હવે ફટાફટ પતાવી દેવું છે, હિન્દીની રાહ નથી જોવી. હવે પોસિબલ છે કારણ કે મટીરિયલ ઇનફ આવી ગયું છે, વોકેબ્લરી રેડી છે, ડાયલોગ્સ ઇનફ છે. સો let's do it, all right? Hey guys, welcome to MNMMPT Nati YouTube channel. Very happy to introduce Nati Gujarati on our channel. A long overdue, I would say, but it's worth it because I wanted to spend a lot of time, doing Nati Gujarati myself, doing a lot of dialogues, coming up with vocabulary, practicing, giving exam and whatnot. And I was absolutely in no need to rush about it. But I'm very happy that I am here to help my, Gujarati students to clear their Nati Gujarati, because obviously it's easier to clear Nati Gujarati for them compared to clearing Nati Hindi or any other language, because it's always easy to give Nati in the language that you speak at your home, your mother tongue, the language you use most of the time apart from English. And if you're wondering that how can I teach this language if I'm a Hindi speaker? Well, I am a Hindi speaker. My native language is Hindi, but I was born and brought up in Gujarat, and that always gave me the understanding of Gujarati. And I used to always speak Gujarati more than I used to speak Hindi. So I love this language, I would say, along with Hindi. And that's why I'm very, very happy to, share my knowledge about Nati Gujarati with all of you. It is again a very straightforward exam like any other Nati exam. So if you are someone who is willing to give Nati Gujarati, I'm definitely there to help you. So let's today see first of all that what is this exam, how does it look. I'm pretty sure you must be knowing the structure because you might have spoken to people giving Nati Hindi, Punjabi and whatnot. So the first thing I want to discuss is a little bit of introduction about the exam. Obviously we do give this exam because we want those 5 points for our immigration purpose, and we can use it for our permanent residency and whatever your purpose is. So definitely it gives you 5 points, and it has been recently introduced. So Nati Gujarati is not very, very old. So you have to understand that not many people out there will have a lot of, experience of dealing with Nati Gujarati. But if we have experience of dealing with Nati of any other language, it should not be any problem. Now, having said that, it's a similar structure exam. You have dialogues, you have 2 dialogues, dialogue 1 and then dialogue 2. So the reason you want to give Nati Gujarati obviously is because your I would say command over the language is far more better than any other language. That's why you want to choose this language. So if you are a Gujarati speaker, you should definitely select Nati Gujarati, I would say now onwards, because it will be easier for you to clear this exam with less efforts compared to the efforts you will put in Hindi. Now, a lot of Gujarati students, their Hindi is very good because of their upbringing or whatever. If you are confident in giving Hindi, that's your decision. But this is just something that I'm sharing on the basis of what I've come across. When you start preparation for your exam, the first thing you come across is vocabulary. So I have already made a list of vocabulary which I will be sharing very soon. And there is no need to do more than that vocabulary that I've already created, because sometimes I've seen a lot of websites or apps or whatnot, they have such detailed level of vocabulary that it depresses students and it just demotivates them, because students will think, oh my god, I have to do so much. There's absolutely no need to do that. I have created a to the point vocabulary list. Very happy to share that with all of you. Just prepare those vocabulary words and you will definitely be able to clear this exam. So that's the first step. Now obviously once the vocabulary is done, next comes a lot of dialogues that you need to practice, because in exam you get dialogue 1 and then you get dialogue 2. So you have to practice a lot of dialogues with a lot of scenarios so that when you sit for your exam, you're extremely confident. So what you need to understand is you have to practice a lot of dialogues, a lot of note taking you have to do. So what I'm going to do now is, my target is to cover a lot of videos on Nati Gujarati. So I will be covering the note taking strategies. I will actually play dialogues, do the note taking, speak it as well, to show you that how are you supposed to deal with a dialogue in Gujarati when you are giving your exam or even when you are practicing. So every single topic will be covered on this channel. And apart from that as well, if you feel that okay, watching these videos is great, it's helping you, but you still need tailored help or solution, and you need some coaching, do not hesitate to contact us. We are there to coach you for Nati Hindi, Gujarati and Punjabi. So if it's regarding these three languages, you can always contact us on Facebook Messenger or on Instagram as well. Just search MNMMPT Nati. Exam format is next thing that I want to cover. Now, exam format, obviously you have two dialogues, 1 and 2. You first finish your dialogue 1, then you can take a quick break, have a sip of water, and then you can go for dialogue 2. Now, obviously, this is an online exam, so you do not need to go to a venue or anything like that. You can simply give your exam sitting at your home at your convenience. So you just need to make sure that you have a good Wi-Fi connection, you have a laptop, you have your notebook, you have your pen ready for your note taking, and you have a place where nobody is going to disturb you while you give exam, and everybody is aware that you are sitting in a place to give exam, so not to disturb you, because it's a very short exam, 20 minutes exam. So it doesn't take that long. You will start the exam and you won't even realize that the exam is completed. So it's just a matter of few minutes. You have to make sure that you isolate yourself from others so that you can concentrate properly on the exam, because it's an expensive exam. You're spending $800 to $850 on exam, and this is not something where you should spend money again on. You should definitely not give Nati twice or maybe more sometimes. It should be done and dusted in the first go is what I feel. Now, having said that, when the first thing I would do is, whenever I book my exam, I have to make sure that I book it on a day where I have a lot of time before and after the exam to reflect on. Now, let's say my exam is on a Tuesday, for example, in the morning. I have to make sure that at least one day prior to the exam, I'm all set and ready with everything that is required for the exam. Whether it is my original passport, whether it is my laptop, whether it is my internet connection, whether it is a fresh notebook, pen, a place to sit, whatnot. Also, when Nati sends you the email, read it at least 2 times properly, word by word, line by line, and follow and try to understand what they're saying. If you feel that you don't need a proper coaching, you can watch the videos and you can practice on yourself. That's perfectly fine. But you do need some help here and there. Feel free to book consultations. It can be a 30-minute consultation with us. It can be a one-on-one consultation for 1 hour, wherein we can just do an exam scenario. We can play a dialogue. You can do it and I can give you instant feedback. You can do that a week or 2 weeks or maybe a month before your exam, just to understand if you are ready for the exam or not. So that is again one thing I would recommend all of you to do. The next thing I want to cover is scoring. Now, when I discuss scoring, obviously you have 2 dialogues. Both the dialogues are 45 each, 45 marks. All right, so the total is 90 marks exam. Now, out of 45, you at least need 29 in both the dialogues, at least, to pass each dialogue. So it's not that if you get over here, let's say out of 45, you get 40. In the second dialogue, you did extremely well. But in the first dialogue, you only got 15 out of 45. You still fail the exam. So you need to do well in both the dialogues. You have to get minimum 29 in both the dialogues. And overall result out of 90 has to be minimum 63. I know it's a different maths, it's a different, feeling. Don't get too much into numbers. Just have one clarity for any exam you give, whether it is PT or Nati, and that is one clarity. I need to work hard and score as much as possible. If you go with a mindset, I need 63 only, what if you don't get 63 and what if you get a little lesser? You have wasted your time, you have wasted your money, you have wasted your energy, and it spoils your mood, right? So don't do that. This is like you should have a knowledge of it, but aim for higher score. 63 overall out of 90 and each 29. That is like it is nothing different from any other Nati language exam. It still remains the same. When it comes to strategies, I have a few pointers that I would like to share when it comes to Nati. Number one, consistency is very important. If you practice half an hour today and then you continue practicing half an hour every single day for 7 days a week, that's when you get the score. Not because it's your weekend, let's practice 2-3 hours in weekend and then Monday to Friday I will not practice because I'm working, I'm very tired, I have to do this, I have to do that. No, it doesn't work like that. I always give an example of this. Can you brush your teeth today for the entire week? No, you can't do that. Doesn't matter you brush your teeth for half an hour, you still need to do it every single day. You can't do it just one day and then skip another week. What is going to happen? You will stink. Your performance is going to go down. In Nati as well, it implies the same. So have that understanding of smart work along with hard work. Practice half an hour, practice 45 minutes. Nobody is asking you to sit and practice for 5 hours, but do it every single day. Revise vocabulary every single day. Practice dialogue every single day. Do a lot of note taking. Note taking is very, very important. And I will come up with a lot of Nati Gujarati videos now onwards as soon as possible. So keep watching all the videos. Post the questions in the comment section if you have any regarding this language, this exam as well. And if you feel that you need some help, extra help, consultations and whatnot, just shoot questions regarding that as well. I am also making Nati Gujarati prediction file because I have a lot of dialogues now. My aim is to at least compile 20 dialogues together, exam dialogues, and then give it to all of you. So as soon as that is ready, it's not ready yet. The moment it is ready, I will let you all know and then we are happy to share that with you. With that, I feel that I've covered the basic overview of Nati Gujarati exam. અને તમને એવું લાગતું હોય કે મારે હવે નાટી ગુજરાતી આપવી છે તો ભણવાનું શરૂ કરી દો અને કોઈ બી ક્વેશ્ચન હોય કોઈ બી પ્રશ્ન હોય તમને તો મને પૂછો હું તમને એનો જવાબ આપીશ અને હવે સારું છે કે નાટી ગુજરાતી આવી ગઈ છે એટલે તમને એવું લાગતું હોય કે ભાઈ મારે હવે નાટી ગુજરાતી ફટાફટ પતાવી દેવી છે કારણ કે હવે એ એક્ઝામ આવી ગઈ છે મને આ લેંગ્વેજ આવડે છે તો બસ હવે ફટાફટ પતાવી દેવું છે હિન્દીની રાહ નથી જોવી હવે પોસિબલ છે કારણ કે મટીરિયલ ઇનફ આવી ગયું છે વોકેબ્યુલરી રેડી છે ડાયલોગ્સ ઇનફ છે સો લેટ્સ ડુ ઇટ ઓલરાઇટ સો વી આર વેરી હેપી ટુ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ Nati Gujarati on our channel and with that I'll take your leave. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.